these. They're leopard, like, be for real. I wear this with a little black dress. Hey y'all, I'm Tanaya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel if you've been watching me, and if you're new here, welcome. So today, I'm gonna be showing y'all a mini try-on haul that I did from FashionNova. Mind you, y'all, I'm not even supposed to be shopping on there for real. I originally went on there to get my boyfriend like some essential t-shirts because they have some just regular basic t-shirts, literally just solid t-shirts for men, and their prices be affordable. And you know how they get you, it's like you're $19 away from free shipping, or you're such and such away. Well, that such and such away got me, and it was 1-day shipping. So I was like, I'm just gonna get a few things for myself, calm down. And it'll be just that. Really only got a few things, y'all, so don't at me. Let's get into it. Okay, also, and before we continue on, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We're on the way to 100 subscribers. we are like, we're halfway there, honestly. And you know what, growth is growth at the end of the day. Comment down below what your favorite part of the week was, and comment down below your favorite animal. I want to see something. Also, guys, so my 3-year anniversary with my boyfriend was this past Friday, and look at these flowers, y'all. Mind you, he said these aren't the ones that he even ordered, but I still think that they're cute. And also, they got ruined. He tried to set them up. He had the whole room decorated when I got off work, and he tried to set these up, and when we walked in the room, these were literally tipped over. Water all over the floor. So I honestly don't know how long they'll live now. But if y'all have any tips on how to keep flowers alive, y'all comment down below. I hear people put like sugar in the water or something like that, but I really don't know. I don't know. Why are they cute? Gotta take some pictures with them. But yeah, the first thing I got is what I'm wearing right now. And it's this white, it's not a crop top at all. And it's not a bodysuit. It's just a fitted shirt, and I love it. I told myself that I need to get like some essentials in my closet, because I really feel like the key to like always looking put together or dressing clean, besides doing your hair, is to have some essentials in your closet. Like if I had this and I put a jacket on top, girl, like a nice brown or leather, you never know. Like it would be popping, and no one would really pay attention. They'll just be like, oh, she really look put together. And I'll be like, thank you. And also, I got it in gray as well. And like, I love these because the material is so soft and it's stretchy. It does not suck me in at all. I know some people like that, but I don't like to be squeezed. I don't like to be squeezed. I don't like that. I need to be able to breathe and still like feel flattering at the same time, and these do just that. Like, I definitely recommend if you're trying to build like some essential pieces in your closet. If you want some regular neutral colors, this is the way to go. I'm most likely gonna go back and get like black and brown for sure. I just was nervous because I didn't know the type of material, but now I like the material for sure. I got them both in a size small because the reviews were saying to size down because I guess it runs a little bit. So I did, and yeah, I like it. It's literally the perfect size, both of these. Next I got a blue matching set from them. It's like a blue legging set. This is the top right here. Y'all know I love me some blue per my background. It's like a long sleeve, and then the leggings to match. And I was thinking maybe this would be cute for me to wear to work one day. I'm still debating if it's like work appropriate. I feel like it is, but I don't know. You know the saying that like, if you're not sure about it, then don't wear it. But if I don't wear it to work, I'm definitely wearing it somewhere else because like, it's too cute. Definitely might pair it with some heels. I like it. I love blue on me. I feel like that's like really my color. That's really all that I got for clothes, but I did get a pair of shoes and some accessories. So for the shoes, I got these. Y'all, I have been wanting some kitten heels. Like, they're so freaking cute, and they're leopard. Like, be for real. Wear this with a little black dress or red. Leopard and I don't even want to say leopard because I don't know. I'm gonna just say animal print. Animal print and red go so good together. Like, it was literally made for that combo. Like, is gonna eat every time. I've seen people do like the little they have the leopard print nails, and then like one nail has like a little red cherry or something. That I love it. It's always so cute. But I love these. And I want to invest more into kitten heels because I've never liked those 6-inch high. Like, I can't do it. Like, if it's going to be that tall, then it needs to be a thick heel. Call me old. I don't care. It's just not my vibe. But if it's yours, then God bless you. So I got some I got a bracelet and 2 things for my hair, 2 hair accessories, because I really don't have any hair accessories like that, and I think I'm too old for headbands. I don't know, I may be wrong, but usually the only hair accessories I really wear are like bows, and that's it. So I was like, I really want something like cute, mix it up a little bit. Starting with, I got this bracelet. It's very dainty, and I also have earrings that like match. Like, oh, it's big though. I wonder if I can adjust it. It's big, but it's cute. And y'all, I literally have earrings to match this, and I thought that would be the perfect thing. Let me see. Maybe I can, you know how some people wear it on their arms? Let me see. I mean, on there. No, epic fail. Yeah, it's kind of too big. I'm sad, but I might just wear it like this. Like, it's not bad. It's fine. It's fine. We have to like shove it down so it doesn't move. But yeah, I thought it was cute. I'm a gold girl, and I need to get some more of those bracelets from Alter State that I was talking about in my last video. If you haven't watched it, go watch it. I'm pretty sure it was when I did my vlog, my weekend vlog. So, and here's one of the hair accessory things I got. They're scrunchies, but when they tie in, it's gonna like look like that. And I was like, this would be cute to add. It's just an extra little gold accessory. And I feel like even though they're a bit shinier than the bracelet, I feel like it would still go together, because it's not like you're seeing them next to one another. Like, it's not going to be this on top of the bracelet. It's literally going to be pinned in the back of my head and the bracelet right here. So I'm going to build up my gold jewelry. It's like, yeah, and I know y'all probably like, why are you buying jewelry from FashionNova? Ain't nothing wrong with it. It's not earrings, it's not necklaces, it's hair pieces and bracelets. Now, do I recommend getting any other like jewelry for like a daily basis from there? No, because I have bought rings from them before, and as soon as I touched the water, them things turned green. I said, never again, never again. So now it's like I have to stick with like the real deal with earrings, rings, and necklaces. Now with bracelets, anklets, and anything for my hair, I don't really care if it's real or not, because it shouldn't really be touching the water. And then I got these. They're little hair pieces, like little clip-ins. Like, it will slide right in right here, and it would be so cute. So yes, I really love these. I cannot wait to doll myself up with the jewelry. Because I have a little cute outfit in mind, probably just for like a date night or something. We're gonna see about that bracelet though. Yeah, that's all that I have for this haul, guys. I know it's like short, simple, cute, sweet, but I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I see you in the next video. Bye.